The hell? Thank you very much. But not today. No.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 2:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, June 19th, 2020. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, City of Hamilton, Dufferin, Innisfil, Caledon, and Halton Hills, Milton. The Environment Canada.
Shit.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Ontario at 2:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, June 19th, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, City of Hamilton, Dufferin, Innisfil, Caledon, and Halton Hills, Milton. Environment Canada has issued squall watch for Lake Simcoe at 2:30.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions.
What the hell? Triple header?
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Ontario at 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, June 19th, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, City. Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Ontario at 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, June 19th, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, City of Hamilton, Dufferin, Innisfil, Caledon, and Halton Hills, Milton. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 3. Updated a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Ontario at 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, June 19, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for City of Hamilton. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern